It's day 2. So right now I'm at Thambi viewpoint. Behind me you can see only fog. Here we are in front of a small cottage. We have taken some tea and Maggie.
आइए वीडियो है ना
मेरी मैगी, पहाड़ वाली मैगी. While I enjoy the Maggie, you go and watch the view. At 11,200 feet, Thambi viewpoint offers a panoramic view of the Mount Kanchenjunga. Located at a distance of 14 kilometers from Zuluk on the famous zigzag road, we are right now in Thambi, and now we are going towards Nathang Valley, which is another beauty in East Sikkim, which I can't fathom enough and explain you what I saw that day. So guys, we are moving above. Now we are at 13,500 feet, and here we are at Nathang Valley, which is called the Ladakh of East Sikkim, and it was home to the rich valley of the customary yak herders from Tibet. The Nathang village, those lanes, those roads are from which we have reached here. That's the foggy cloud there. The hills are golden, beautiful, not the typical green ones. and it's a viewpoint, so there are a lot of cars waiting and clicking pictures. So am I. So let's see. That was a river which is dry now due to the winters. It is dry. In the monsoons it is all full. How beautiful. It is super cold here. I'm literally not able to talk. My hands are freezing and it's so windy. I can see a lot of yaks and a lot of fog, a lot of cold, and the hills over here are not green, they are brown, they are what do you call that color? Khaki. They are all khaki color, brown, golden. They are beautiful. So unconventional, so unreal. So now we are heading to the much popular destination in Sikkim, which is called the Baba Mandir. But there are two Baba Mandirs. We are going to the actual authentic Baba Mandir, where he was posted and where he lost his life. The new one is very touristy and is located at Changu Lake.
बोलो.
So right now I am in front of Baba Mandir, which is the old Baba Mandir. Baba's name is Harbhajan Singh. He was a soldier and he died saving a few lives, and that's why there is a mandir built in his memory. And over there is the mandir, and I'm going to take you inside if they allow me to take the camera. So let's go. So this venue itself is divided into two parts. The upper part is where I am going right now with all the ghantas going on in my background, and it's a beautiful experience going up there and seeing how the life of Harbhajan Baba was and what all belongings he had. Everything has been restored, and there are so many people who come and visit this place out of sheer belief and power which he had, which he still has in these valleys. He was a renowned soldier and his kissas are still very famous. This is at the ground floor section where all the belongings of Baba is still being kept very nicely and uniformly, and I could feel the good vibe in here so much that I can't express it right now, but I really felt a very strong good vibe. And I request you all, whoever visits to Sikkim, must visit this old Baba Mandir because it's the actual authentic one. It was time for some prasad, and that's what I'm doing right now, and you must too when you visit here. We are here at our last destination of the day, and this is called the Elephant Lake or the Kupup Lake, which has an amazing view and make you feel that there's nothing more peaceful and serene on earth than this place.
वीडियो ले रहे थे.
I'm just unable to speak. I am totally numb. I have one hand bare and one hand with gloves because I was taking pictures, and it is freezing here. I'm loving it, but beautiful. That's the Elephant Lake. I will tell you in brief about that later. Those are the brown mountains. This is Kupup and we are in Zuluk, and today we are going to stay in Padamchen, that is lower Zuluk, and we are going to go there now because this was the last spot of the day. I hope you enjoyed everything. Let me know which one was your favorite spot and which one. We thought of calling it a day, but no, there were a lot more adventure waiting for us before we reached Padamchen. So here is the first one. Can you see those clouds there? It's like I'm floating on the clouds. Beautiful. Clouds. पूरे clouds, पूरे बादल ढक गए हैं. मुझे बिल्कुल संदाफो वाली फीलिंग आ रही है यहाँ. Beautiful, बहुत सुंदर है.
We're going down to Padamchen from Kupup, and if you can see, it's completely foggy. The visibility has come down to zero, and on to top it all, it's raining as well, and it's turning into night as well. So everything, it's a driver's nightmare right now. So Wish us luck.
Currently it's 5 p.m. We are going towards Padamchin and the roads are foggy, dark, it's raining, it's scary. It is really scary. We reached. It's 6:30 now. Ooh, let's go to Padamchin Homestay, Mewari Homestay. Yippee! I'm so glad we didn't die because the situation was really scary. So we settled down, we had some chai pakode at arrival and off to the next day, which I'm going to show you in episode 3 of this series. So keep watching and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Bye.